What's up everyone, it's CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the SLX crankset, and we're going to be weighing it as well. So let's get started. So to start, there are three different models for this crankset. There's a M7100, an M7120, and an M7130. So they are basically different sizing based on the rear end, whether it's boost or not. I can put a chart up here so that you guys know the sizing, but this is the M7120 made for boost spacing. That's going to be on my Stump Jumper Evo. So to start off, we have the first crank here, and then the rest is in the bottom. It does come pre-greased, so be careful when you're taking it out. But yeah, this is what it came with. I believe I got this around $80 or $90, so it was a really good deal. I believe it was 40% off. Definitely a good deal on that. Looks like these might be bearings. Yeah, so I think these are bearings in here. But yeah, let's get to weighing this. And sorry about those birds in the background, they're really annoying. But let's put both of these on here. So this comes in at just under 500 grams, 496 to be exact. I went with this because it was a lot cheaper than the XT. I believe it was $60 to $70 cheaper. So I went with those. A little bit heavier than the XTs, but again, not too worried about the weight there. A couple grams isn't going to kill me. If anything, it'll give me an extra workout. So that's going to conclude today's video of the SLX crankset and the weight. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.